everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel a StockX order. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be opening up your browser and simply access your particular StockX official website. So the thing is that you have to know is that once a seller accepts a bid on StockX, the order cannot be cancelled except for Europe and UK consumers. Statutory consumers' right of withdrawal within 14 days of delivery is available. Now, this is to ensure that offers are active and dependable, which helps build trust between sellers and buyers. However, there are some things that you can do to manage your bid. First thing first, you can simply manage your bid by simply going to the current section of your StockX buying bid and follow an item. Simply click the heart icon in the top right corner on desktop or the plus icon on mobile. Check the price by going to my account and going to the following section. That's how you can do that. Another thing is that if you have received the wrong size item, you can verify if there is a resell it on the StockX platform. If there is a difference, StockX will try to correct it at no charge. And if you simply want to return the item credit, you can click the order you want to return to open the order details page. Click the start return button and start the returning process, but you cannot cancel it. So hope this video was informative enough. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.